All right, guys, today we are building a Grim Reaper. Why buy a big plastic skeleton when you can make your own Grim Reaper with old sheets and stuff that you might already have in the yard or the house? So for this project, I'm using a bunch of stuff I just have on hand to create an armature or a statue that I can use to drape my old sheets on that will be dipped in concrete. It should be fun and very messy. Okay. I haven't decided if I'm going to be doing the cement part here or in the front yard yet, so I'm just going to lay this down just in case because it can get quite messy. Also, the concrete, or the cement, really, cement, not concrete, is going to want to stick to whatever it is. So if you have something that's mobile, it'll just break off and be easier to move. Whereas if I stick it on here, it's going to stick a little better. So I don't want that. All right. Ooh. Eee! All right, maybe I should cut this first, but I kind of want to figure out how tall. Holy crap, it's like 1/4 of an inch below the roof. I know you can't see that. Anyways. All right, so I'm going to start with this big piece of, it's like a landscape timber you can get in the garden section for $6. Or if you have scrap lumber, great. So I have a bucket and I'm gonna fill it with rocks to weigh it down. And then this post here is gonna be the top. If you go super tall, like 8 foot, 9 foot, that creates a really scary Grim Reaper. However, it's really heavy to move. So once that sheet gets soaked in all the concrete, it holds a lot of weight. So I'm gonna do probably more like a life size one, like a 5'5", a Sarah height one. And hopefully I can move it by myself or maybe have somebody else help me move it. Or what I'm gonna do is get my armature put together here and then move it to the front and drape it so I don't have to move it again, at least until after Halloween. Or we could keep it for Christmas and put some light bulbs on it. Just kidding. Okay, so I stacked a bunch of rocks inside to hold my post. You could also just pour concrete if you wanted to wait for that to set up, but I didn't want to do that. But plus, I didn't want to get my buckets too dirty because the armature just needs to temporarily stand up to be able to hold the weight of the concrete. And then once it's cured or hardened, then the inside can completely be taken out. Okay, so I'm going to use my steel helmet to be the head. It's pretty cute, huh? And now I can use my offcut for the shoulders. Although these might be pretty broad shoulders. I think Grim Reaper is a little more wimpy and less buff, so I'm probably gonna cut it a little bit. So on the shorter side, I'm gonna have the arm come out so I get a nice like hollow and I can hang my lamp. So I kind of measured my arm length. This is gonna go on the side like this. And then I want to angle up just a slight amount. So I need to cut the other side here. And I'm just gonna use some timber ties from Simpson to... And then I got these cool hands, let me show you. So I got this at the dollar store, which is awesome because it's super cheap and super light. And then I found these hands. So I couldn't decide if I wanted to go with the black skeleton or the white boned skeleton. I feel like the white might pop out better from that, or maybe this would look, anyways, doesn't matter. I'm going to attach this to the end of the arm so the hand will be hanging out with the lantern. It's gonna be cool. So when I was making his arm, it split, but it was scrap wood anyway, so whatever. I just taped it together because again, it doesn't need to be beautiful. It just needs to be able to hold up a sheet that is wet with concrete. There we go. All right. The hands, these will be fun. There's a right and a left. I'm just gonna place this guy here. Maybe I'll extend it a little like that. I'm just gonna tape this on. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm having so much fun. Look at my little hand. I think I could either wet the sheet here and put it in the concrete or do it in the spot. And I think I'm just gonna do it in the spot because I still think it's heavy, but I can move this. And I'd rather just be made in its spot. So welcome to the next scene or welcome to the front yard.